Alright guys, so that's all the clear coat that I had that was in gloss. This bottom section right here is the Autobahn matte clear coat 9025, and right here on top is what we just sprayed, which was the Speedokote overall clear. So the paint color is called F8 green from Dodge and Chrysler vehicles. So the paint code is PFQ. I'll go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. This is what it looks like with the gloss clear coat. Very, very nice. You can see all the metallics, a bit of a yellowish tone, green. Very, very nice. And the bottom is just a matte, so it kind of dulls out all the metallic, but still it does look very, very nice as a color. So really like both of them. Right here where the decal or the stencil of the decal, you can tell that it has a bit of metallic as well. So the black itself was just a mixture of colors that I had, which was 384A, the Cadillac Kettle Effect black. I have some Storm Blue from a Nissan RBD. I have some black PX8, some GM black 8555, and some other mixture in there. So it was just a custom paint that I have. I still have like almost a full gallon of it. But this is the gloss F8 green from Dodge Chrysler vehicles, Chargers, Challengers. I just wanted you guys to take a look at it. I know I didn't have enough clear to do the whole fender, and I know a lot of you guys want to see some gloss paint jobs. This is the Spectrum. The spray gun I was using was a Spectrum HTE with a 1.3 tip. So it's a high transfer efficiency, and it does really, really nice job at spraying. So you can find that spray gun at Harbor Freight Tools. And the compressor that I was using was the McGraw right here. The McGraw 29 gallons, and it's been working just absolutely amazing. Just really quiet as well. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, and hit the subscribe button if you want to continue seeing more of these experiment videos or just paint jobs in general. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. This is the matte clear coat, the Autobahn matte clear coat. Mixes on a 4:1 ratio, 4 parts clear coat, 1 part activator. It's still kind of flexible. This is what was left over on the cup. It's actually a lot of clear, but I didn't have any more use for it, so I just let it dry out in the cup. But there it is. Feels rubbery. If you squeeze it, it's like silicone, dried silicone or silica. But it's actually urethane. Full urethane, not polyurethane. That's it, guys.